Today I'm going to show you how to find a missing total when we're subtracting. So I'm just going to do a little bit of review with you first. I'm going to review with you our fact families here. We know a fact family is made out of 2 adding sentences and 2 subtracting sentences, and that all of these number sentences are related to each other. They use the same 3 numbers, and we can often use one of these number sentences to help us solve another. So today I'm going to also review with you just how an addition sentence looks and how a subtraction sentence looks. Instead of using addend plus addend equals sum to show you an adding sentence today, I'm going to introduce it to you like this. Part plus part equals total. We know when we add, we're trying to find the total. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Here I have 2 blue marbles and 3 green marbles. So these are my 2 parts that I have. We know that 2 small parts will make a total, which is our big number. So my first part is 2 and my second part is 3, and I have to add them together. So if I were to do that, I would put them all together, and that would give a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we add, we're putting 2 small parts together to make a big part. Now when we subtract, we're starting with the total. That means we start with the big number and then we take away a part, and that leaves us with the other part. So I'm going to show you here what I mean. So I've now got all of my marbles, all the blue and the green together, and then I'm going to take away 2. So I'll take away the 2 blue, and that will leave us with the 3 green. So I've started with my big number, I've taken away a part, and now I've got another part left. Now in your number sentences today, you will notice that you have a missing number at the start. If we look over here, we can see that that's the total that's missing. And if we look back a little bit more, we can see here that if we want to find a total, we actually have to add. So I'm going to show you how to use the numbers you know in your number sentence to help you get that number there. So I know that there's 2 blue here and 3 green here. All right, now if I want to get back to the total, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to put the 2 small parts back together. So here we go. I'm going to put the 2 and the 3 back together, and that is going to give me my total that I am starting with to subtract. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The missing number is 5. So I'm going to show you now how to do that without counters using our punching out strategy. So in other words, I'm going to take my part of 2, hold it in my hand, 2, and then add the other part back, 3, 4, 5, and that gets me to a starting number of 5. I'll do one more example with you, and we'll try that punching out again. And you can always use a number line or a hundredths chart as well to help you with your subtraction or your adding. Okay, so say our number sentence looks like this. So we have a part that's 9 and a part that's 3, and our total is missing. So what we're going to do is we're going to punch out on 9, we're going to add this other part back, and that should give us the total that we started with before we took away that 3. So punching out on 9, 9, 10, 11, 12. Our starting number is 12. 12 take away 3 equals 9. That is correct. So I hope you have fun finding your missing total today.